It's going to be another cleaning and organizing day today for me in the van here. We spent the morning in the mall because today's just been so hot and humid, and we just want to spend some time indoors, and Spencer is actually napping right now. So I got some time to myself to do some cleaning. Most of the stuff already are unpacked and moved back into the house. Still got a bunch of stuff in the front here in the box, as well as in our garage in the back, some of Spencer's toys, bikes, that needs to go back into the house. But for the most part, most of the stuff that we need to pack away, clothes and all that, has already been back in the house. And the goal for today is to clean up the garage. So we plan on building the van out in my mom's garage, which is currently very unorganized and really messy, and there's really no place for us to do it at the moment. But we'll reorganize the entire thing, stack things up so that there's enough space for me to do the van build inside the garage. So that's going to be the plan for today. First, let me gather some of the last straggling items in the van here, bring it back inside, and then we'll work on the garage. I haven't taken that screen up in the back for a very long time. Got how to do it, but I got it up. And this is our garage. There's so many toys here. It's really just Spencer's toys. All of his bicycles, skateboards, his trike, his carrier. All right, I'm gonna take everything out. Here we are, trike, carrier, scooter, skateboard, balance bike. We got our snowboard and arena skis back there. We got a small little grill, actually extends pretty far back, so we can fit our snowboard here. This space has been pretty useful for us. We fit a lot of things in here. And this is the transformer for the EV charge. This guy's been pretty good. the bench seat here is where we store our collapsible carry-ons. And some more miscellaneous items. Got some swimming floaties here. So me moving things from the van inside the garage is not really helping the situation here. It's almost 7 o'clock now and I didn't even start with the garage yet. And I think we're about to eat dinner soon, so I think we'll get started on the garage tomorrow then. All right, let me clean up the rest of the stuff outside and then we're gonna call it a day. Hi, Spencer. You didn't want to wake up? You had a pretty good nap?
I was like, okay. I was like, Papa Cafe music. Hey,
Wake up.
time to wake up. It's past 6 already. Come
Oh,
on.
he napped really late today, like 4 something.
Yeah, but then if he passed like 6, then he can sleep early tonight.
Yeah.
I'm gonna like.
Yeah, he has to wake up.
Gonna be a bad cycle.
Yeah.
I was like, come on, wake up.
Yeah, almost dinner, I think.
Yeah.
Almost dinner. Yeah, I added more stuff to the garage, so now it's like, it's worse. I took everything out from the from our garage over here. Nice, Benz. I don't think it's that bad. I think it could be done.
I think you got the whole detail.
Just reorganizing it. Yeah. I only really need like half of the garage. Yeah, we'll move everything around. Well, we can't block it.
What is it?
It's like the water heaters and stuff. Yeah, we just have to throw things out and reorganize it. But I'll wait for my mom tomorrow. See what we can toss out.
Like the cassette.
Old school cassette tapes right here and CDs. She's not throwing that out.
I mean, put it in a box or something.
Yeah, we'll figure it
For
out.
now.
That's a big clock, isn't it? We gotta peel off all the stickers in the back here. One at a time. I don't know if we're gonna be able to keep it because I think it's gonna get destroyed. We just rip it. This one.
Oh, yeah, this is a dinosaur museum, Spence.
Yeah.
Another one, Triceratops.
It's starting to rain now, so I gotta get the old van parked. I think the worst thing about the van build this time is the fact that I'm gonna have to keep driving this van to look for a parking spot because there's only one spot at my mom's front yard there, which allows us to park the new van. And even when I'm building the van, I'm gonna need to keep moving the van in and out. At the end of the day, I have to drive it back regardless. And then this van I'm driving maybe like 2 blocks away because there's not much parking around the house here either. It's gonna slow things down a little bit, but it is what it is. One thing that I really need to do is to put together the tool list of everything that I need to build out the van. I only have like a few items like the power drill. I don't even have a circular saw anymore. I tossed out and sold most of the stuff that we had for the first van build because we had to store it in our garage and we don't have that garage anymore. So we got rid of all the tools. So we need to get everything new, including like a circular saw, the like jigsaw. What else? I don't know. I gotta think of the entire list. Most of the things are used for the carpentry work. Some are used for cutting into the van, like the windows and the fan holes on the top of the van. Yeah, the sooner I put together that list, the sooner I can see if my friend has those tools, and then I can buy whatever else I need so that we can get started on the build. As far as the van build itself goes, I'm trying to not overthink it and do things one step at a time. It is very overwhelming. There's a lot of steps involved when it comes to building an entire van. But the first thing that I'll be doing will be installation. So just kind of focus on what is the next item that we need to do, one thing at a time, to not get overwhelmed. Installation is pretty easy. I can just order some and stick it on the wall. But then with this van, the new van actually, I have to remove all the wall paneling because this is a crew van. It comes with some of the fabric panelings, which we don't need. And on the ceiling as well, so I gotta remove those. I'll probably just toss it. I don't think those are worth much. Maybe they are, I don't know. That's actually an extra step with the crew van because if it's not a crew van, it's just a cargo van, it's bare bones, and you can just kind of get started right away. This one actually has the flooring as well, which is a plus. And I can show you guys the van. And I gotta clear out this entire van as well and get started working on here. But yeah, there's a bunch of things in here right now, like the bodega fridge. I'm gonna be installing this refrigerator in the old van because I really hate the other refrigerator, the one with the chest style drawer. The railing on the drawer broke like 5 times already, and this last time I replaced, I think maybe 2 months ago, it broke again. So I'm kind of done with it, and I'm just gonna get a regular vertical style fridge. Is more ideal. But yeah, I have to remove the panelings up top here. There's a few like I think this is wood or plastic PVC boards. Those are gonna go as well, and just get the installation going. But more on the van build planning, one day at a time. Should we go see what Mama cooked for dinner tonight? Ooh, Mama made a soup, tomato soup, 係咪？番茄湯，番茄 corn and tomato soup. And some veggies. 呢個咩嚟啊？雞豬扒 pork chop.
佢自半煎炸。
Some more. This is looks like beef stomach. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good outside when we were outside. We smelled it. Yeah, this is gonna be amazing. All right, that's our dinner. You want to try some of the soup?
No.
Okay.
嗰啲湯嚟嘅。
Oh, it's a fish soup. Okay. 係魚番茄魚湯係咪？ This is actually a fish, tomato, and corn soup, and my mom made the
嘅蝦餃。
蝦餃係啊 the shrimp paste. Because she actually watches our video and know that Rina really likes the shrimp paste, so she made this for us. Very nice. Yeah, it doesn't need it. And some pork chop. Pork chop.
唔要汁，唔知乾唔乾得啫。
試下咯，
係咯，
呢個係 Costco 買嗰啲啊嘛，
係啊，你嗰批嚟
上
嘅有，
一批。
係啊，上批嘅。
Okay, let's try. Okay, 食飯。
我又買咗牛雜嚟食啦。
That's it for today. Spencer and I are just hanging out here in the living room, just kind of relaxing for the rest of the night. And tomorrow we're gonna continue doing some more cleanup. I think the garage is going to be the main focus. So yeah, we'll see how that kind of ends up. So if you guys want to keep following our van build journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Okay, say thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.